Continuation means we need to see strength and we need to see a break of structure. Continuation means that if price is going higher, I want to see it continue higher, as simple as this. If we take this low, then close below it aggressively, and then we go higher, we retrace higher with strong bodies closing, that is a continuation. What we expect after is a retracement and then continuation, another leg of strength. That is what continuation and break of structure is. The opposite of a break of structure is a reversal, a market structure shift or weakness. Strength is closing aggressively. Weakness is failing to close or closing one candle and then reversing. Imagine we're going lower, but at some point we start reversing. The weakness starts here. That is what a market structure shift is. So take a look at this. We have the break of structure continuing lower, then we create a low and go higher. Now what we're expecting is another break of structure for continuation. What happened though is price failed to close below. This is the first sign of reversal. Notice what happened after. We have some weakness, and even if we close below, what happened after is closing above the last high that caused this. As we're going lower, we actually shift the structure, now going higher. We moved from having lower highs to now going higher, creating a higher high and then a higher low. Now the structure is shifting higher. So what are we expecting? Because now we have a continuation, we're expecting another continuation to the upside. This concept for me is one of the most important ones. The reason is that the moment you can identify that break of structure or market structure shift, then I have a valid range that I can trade based on. What this gives me is an invalidation, a clear one, which is the stop loss, then a target, a take profit, and a key level to enter from, which is in between these 2 points. So basically, what you have is a full trading plan.